If you're tired of spending hours making YouTube videos, writing scripts, editing clips, designing thumbnails, listen up, because these 5 free AI tools can literally do all that work for you, faster, smarter, and better. No fancy gear, no experience, no face needed. I've tested dozens of tools, and these 5 will save you time, boost your video quality, and help you grow faster than ever. Let's start with the most powerful one, your new creative partner. This is where every great video begins. ChatGPT writes your scripts, your hooks, and even your YouTube descriptions in seconds. Just type your topic, like how to grow on YouTube without showing your face, and boom, instant ideas and a full script ready to record. Next is Pictory, your video editor on autopilot. Paste your script, and it turns it into a complete video with stock clips, captions, and music automatically added. Perfect if you don't want to show your face or spend hours editing. Hate recording your own voice? ElevenLabs gives you ultra-realistic AI voices that sound human, not robotic. Choose your tone, accent, and speed, and your video instantly sounds professional. Now, what gets clicks? Thumbnails. And Canva is unbeatable for that. Search YouTube thumbnail template, drop your image, add bold text, and watch your design pop. A killer thumbnail equals more clicks, more growth. Finally, TubeBuddy, your secret YouTube growth weapon. It helps you find low competition keywords, shows trending tags, and tracks what's working in your niche, so you're not guessing, you're growing with data. If you're serious about growing your YouTube channel faster, start using these 5 tools today. They'll handle the hard part so you can focus on creating. Don't forget to subscribe for more faceless YouTube tips and AI tools that make content creation effortless.